with this.
What is that called?
Here, Gabi.
Gabi?
In English, evening.
Evening?
Yeah. Here in.
How about harpoon?
You cook this, bro, later. 2 different ways.
Alright, nice. So there's lots of those all over there and all back there.
What you call that?
So just break it off?
Yeah.
Right here?
Ah, nice.
Alright.
Open.
Open, make sure there's no worms. Is that okay?
Yeah.
It's okay?
It's okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Roll it back up. And just tie it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so that plant, Gabi, I think that's the name. I never know in Raymond serious. But we found over there. And look at this. That's all Gabi. So we're only looking for the kind that's rolled up.
Yeah.
No worms.
No worms.
It's pajang.
Pajang,
Abang sih kukuha ka mo to. From daghan.
Ikaw.
Masyo. Please mala. Nice shot.
Nice.
More or less 50.
Nice. Alright, I need to find something to shoot. Maybe I'll give you 5 seconds. I'll give you 5 seconds to start. Like that? Does it look right?
Sure.
Yeah. Kami manok na to.
Oops! What happened? Why did it go way over there? What?
Tree.
The coconut tree? Yeah. Alright.
Like this?
Perfect shot.
So what did I do wrong? Why did mine go way wrong?
Because you do like this.
Okay. Alright.
One more.
One more?
You
Alright.
can practice, but I have no
No, yeah, no rocks. Is that cow dung? Alright. Pull it back.
Hey, no. Careful.
Careful your hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
How does that look?
Like that.
Like that?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Spider. Oh, nice.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Alright. Did you make this or buy it?
I make my own.
You made that? That's really cool. What kind of wood is that?
Unoy.
Unoy? What is unoy?
Maybe in English, guava.
Guava? Oh, guava branch? From guava wood? Nice.
Asa kapalit na dong?
And what do you use this for? To get birds
Yeah.
and things like that? Nice.
Birds and
Chicken.
Birds and chickens?
$50 and 25 for our neighbor. I count 10. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 8, 9, 50.
All right.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
that's good.
Wow.
No more. All right, what do you think Raymond can do?
100.
100. All right. I think he can do 100 too.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Ah! You wanna go again?
20, 30, 40.
5,
What are we on?
7.
8, 9, 10. All right, 100. Nice. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Feel like a dog.
That's a good workout. Woo. All right, since it's getting dark out, we're going to cook half of this one way and then the other half tomorrow morning a different way. So we have onion
Onion?
and salt.
Yeah.
Any other ingredients?
No.
Okay.
Mm. It's bitter here, bro. Mana na oras.
Oh. Kuha na.
Isa. Vinegar.
Okay, vinegar from coconut.
Yeah. And put clean water. 1 glass.
1 glass of clean water.
Ako yung gakuan. Akong balisan mo to.
Okay, we'll be back after 30 minutes.
Okay. We'll be back in 30 minutes. We'll let that cook a little. All right, so the only thing we're adding is that soy sauce?
Yeah. About 20 minutes.
All right, 20 more minutes?
Yeah. 20 minutes and 2 hours.
Sorry guys, it's so dark out, but we're just getting some peppers from this tree. All right. And then we're gonna mix that in with the food as well. Smells good.
5 minutes.
5 more minutes.
Next.
All right. Look at that. Let's get that in the light. It's hot. That's good, man.
Yeah. Tomorrow with coconut.
All right, tomorrow's gonna be coconut.
Yeah.
Right. Today was soy sauce, chili,
Yeah.
water,
We call it
and onion.
an onion.
An onion.
Yeah, yes. With onion.
It's called an onion, though.
Onion.
It's called onion.
Yeah. It's called inon onan.
An onion.
Yeah. Inon onan.
In an onion.
Inon onan.
Enon onion.
Yeah, brilliant, man.
Okay. Let me
More?
know if you guys have tried this.
More? More?
Yeah, more. Let me know if you guys have tried this before. This is my first time trying this, and it's
Ooh.
really good. And I'm not just saying it's good every time I try something. I really mean this is really good. This is ina unan na gabi. Delicious. Rice and fish. We're gonna enjoy this meal, and we'll see you tomorrow. And we'll prepare this a different way. All right. God bless. All right, guys. Here's a perfect way to eat this. Get a little bit of rice, a little bit of juice. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Mmm.
Yes, sir.
Masarap.
Masarap.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Very good.